What if this summer you didn't just take a vacation? You made an investment? Welcome to Montana, the Big Sky State. Fresh mountain air, blue skies that don't quit, fly fishing, hiking, Yellowstone vibes, and zero stress. Now here's the 2-for-1. While you're here soaking it all in, you'll attend Action Lighting's Christmas light installation training. For just $200 you'll learn professional roofline and tree wrapping techniques, safe, efficient installation methods, how to price jobs for real profit, marketing strategies to book premium clients, and how to build a seasonal revenue stream that can explode your winter income. Vacation by day. Build your Christmas business by night. Montana this summer, profit this winter. Spots are limited. Sign up now and make this your most productive getaway ever.